When to use WorldPay merchant account is a crucial decision for businesses looking to expand their payment processing capabilities. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to help you determine if a WorldPay merchant account is right for your business. Firstly, it is essential to understand what a WorldPay merchant account is. A WorldPay merchant account is a type of payment processing account that enables businesses to accept credit and debit card payments from customers. WorldPay is a leading payment processing company that provides a range of payment solutions to businesses of all sizes. To determine if a WorldPay merchant account is right for your business, you need to consider your payment processing needs. If you are a business that accepts credit and debit card payments on a regular basis, then a WorldPay merchant account may be a good option for you. This is because WorldPay offers a range of payment processing solutions including online payment gateways, point-of-sale terminals, and mobile payment solutions. Another key factor to consider is the type of business you operate. If you are a high-risk business such as a gambling or adult entertainment business, then you may find it difficult to obtain a merchant account from traditional payment processors. In this case, WorldPay may be a good option as they specialize in providing payment solutions to high-risk businesses. In addition to the type of business you operate, you also need to consider the volume of payments you process. If you process a high volume of payments, then you may be able to negotiate better rates with WorldPay. This is because WorldPay offers tiered pricing plans that reward businesses for processing higher volumes of payments. To get the most out of a WorldPay merchant account, it is essential to follow best practices. This includes ensuring that you comply with all relevant regulations such as PCI DSS and GDPR. You should also ensure that you provide clear and transparent information to your customers about your payment terms and conditions. In conclusion, a WorldPay merchant account can be a good option for businesses that need to process credit and debit card payments. By understanding your payment processing needs and following best practices, you can get the most out of a WorldPay merchant account and provide a seamless payment experience for your customers. Whether you are a small online retailer or a large multinational corporation, WorldPay has a range of payment solutions to meet your needs.